Love you the babe you decay. Let's do a makeup first. Use an apricot concealer. Cover the dullness around your lips. Then we take a layer of liquid foundation. It doesn't need to be too white, just brighten the complexion slightly. The contact lenses are such a nice little. Just have a little shadow. The grooming pen is connected down from the eye socket. Then stick a double eyelid. Black glue pen. Draw inner eyeliner along the root of the eyelashes. This way the eyes look more energetic. Then use a transparent dense silk to scale the whole face. Custom makeup, a milk pink moisturizing blush. Because he is. You can see these two colors. Then don't hit this piece when you hit him. Just hit the back half of the eye. A gray-brown eyeshadow disc. First use light color as a base, then dip in dark color from close to... Okay, that's it. Pick up a conversation like this. To the middle. Last step. Just as long as it's this cold. It is possible to separate the roots and ignite them. Draw a brown glue pen to open your eyes. Suture the upper eyelashes first. Connect the eyelashes there. Then draw the shape on the front. Be gentle and not too sharp. Connect the eyes again. Then take it directly back down. Brown eyeliner pulled flat out of eyes. Change to a flat eyeliner. Dip a small brush in dark brown and trace the eye oil. You can directly apply it to the eyelids. Then take the whole over the entire lower eyelid. Draw a full parallel Aegyo style with fishmeal. Here I use this 1-month tooth cleansing cream. Brush the lower eyelashes. Use Limit. The eyebrow pencil is a tea brown. Trace a flat and wide eyebrow. Light natural brown eyebrow cream. Platinum pearlescent highlights brighten the eyes. Scan the Aegyo saliva, nose and bridge. Smaller nose shadow brush. Dip it in the grooming color and trace the nose shadow. Or just exposed. Brighten the brow bone. And a little sweep on the cheeks. It's still this light powder, a brightening powder with a little off-light feeling. Point and mole. Neat pink lip liner to trace the lip shape. Make him fuller. Gray pink lip gloss. Okay, almost there.